friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine. On today's video I have for you a haul. Recently I was shopping at cultbeauty.uk. They were having a sale, so I took the opportunity and placed a order. And yeah, it's not such a big haul, but I wanted to share with you what are the products that I was stopping to buy. I will start with this brush. If you don't know anything about Cult Beauty, this is a website where from you can purchase luxury and high-end products. Also they have more affordable brands like NYX, Morphe, Zoeva. I tend to buy from them some of my high-end products. They also do offer internationally shipping and free shipping over £40. And if you buy from them for the first time, you can use the code that I will put on the description box, and you can get £10 off of your first order with purchase over £40. So if you buy for £40, you can pay only £30. So the first item that I bought, it is this It Cosmetics double-ended brush, Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection, number 7. I wanted this brush from a long time. I have seen a lot of beauty gurus using it, including Sona, and yeah, it's really soft. I know It Cosmetics has amazing brushes. I have one brush from them, and this is the one that I just purchased. Just I'm a bit disappointed. I was expecting that it will be more fluffy, but it's not much bigger than this baby brush that I got together with my It Cosmetics CC Plus cream with my previous order. But yeah, I will definitely try it and let you know whether or not it's worth working with foundation. And this also has a part for your concealer, and it retails for £35, but because my order was over £100, I got 20% off of my order. And suddenly I forgot to use my Quidco reward link, and I don't have the bonus, but Cult Beauty, it's also partner with Quidco, so you can get cash back whether you buy from their website. So keep in mind this. If you don't have a Quidco account, you can check my description how you can make your own account, and you can get £10 as a bonus. And also there are many websites they are working with Quidco, like Look Fantastic, spacenk.com, Cult Beauty, ASOS.com. So yeah, you can get extra money whenever you buy from those. The second item, it is also a brush, and it is from Zoeva, from their collection Screen Queen 22/8 Luxe Crease Eyeshadow Brush. I have plenty of Zoeva 228 or 22/8 brushes. My favorite, all-time favorite crease brush, it is from Zoeva, but they don't make it anymore. And since I discovered that brush, I'm trying to get all their 228 brushes they are releasing, in the hope it will be the same like that one. So this looks really soft. I think it's softer than we had before. Oh, I love the handle. It's really pretty. It's a baby pink, and here we have written Screen Queen. I don't know if it's visible, but I will make a close-up. And they do have an entire set of Screen Queen brushes. Just I didn't want to spend so much to buy that set, but I might try, now that I see it's so nice and luxury brush. I might try to pick at least 1 or 2 brushes from that set. On It Cosmetics they were also having a gift with purchase. If you were spending £35+, you could get a free gift. So I was giving those 2 products and a bag, a cosmetic bag. So I will show you quickly what is inside. So this is the bag. Here is written "It Girl," and it's nice silvery bag. I like the inside. It's really soft. It's like satin, and you can fit a lot of products, including an eyeshadow palette if you want so. Then we do get the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. You do get here 7 mils. And I don't know if it is for eyes or clinically shown results. 100% said skin was soft, smooth and infused with moisture. Developed with plastic surgeons, leading experts in skin rejuvenation, Confidence in a Cream transforms your skin. Perfect to all skin types, even the most sensitive. This revolutionary treatment moisturizer helps boosting your skin's natural regenerative cycle. The proprietary anti-aging Armor Regenerative Concentrate is activated upon contact to immerse your skin in moisture, restore visible radiance, reduce the look of pores, discoloration, lines and wrinkles, and improves the look of fairness. You will see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. This sounds really amazing. This is our cream, and for taking it for free, I'm more than excited. Okay, it looks like it's more difficult to open it. It's really nice. I will not try it now just because I am not completely sanitized on my hands and I don't want to contaminate it, but it has some protection here so the cap will not open accidentally. So yeah, this is really good and I will take it with me on my vacation. And the second gift with purchase, it is Miracle Water Anti-Aging 3-in-1 Tonic Skin Brightening Radiance Booster plus Anti-Aging Treatment Essence plus Skin Softening Micellar Cleanser. So this is the product. So this is really tiny. How much do you get here? 8.5 mils. I don't have this size of toner, so this will be perfect for my upcoming vacation. Use this tonic morning and evening after cleanser or in place of your cleanser to purify, hydrate and transform your skin. So here is written that 100% showed improved skin hydration, 91% saw brighter, clearer skin, 94% say it improved their moisturizer effectiveness, and 88% say pores appear minimized. Ooh, so this is also dealing with your pores. So an anti-aging skin loving contains secret sauce fermenting complex, hydrolyzed collagen and peptides, rose, aloe, rice and chamomile, bioluminescence and diamond powder, drops of light technology concentrate, green water, licorice root and vitamin C. A lot of products, guys, in such a small container. So better be good. But anyway, getting for free. The next product, it is a eyeshadow palette from Lamb Crime, Venus XL2. This is how the palette looks like, and I will not go deep into the details because I will have a dedicated review for this palette. So just look after this video. If it will be up, I will link it down below. If not, you just click on my notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. But yeah, just I want to make a separate and dedicated review for this eyeshadow palette. My last product, it is from Bleach London. It is an eyeshadow, single eyeshadow, and this is the one that you can put it on your Z palette. It's a nice mustard shade. Ooh, it's really pretty. And the reason that I bought this product, it is because my order was £99, so I needed one more pound to go over 100 and to be able to get 20% of discount. So I thought this product will be fun to have it in my travel Z palette. Really good product and handy when you need it. Together with the order, I've got 2 samples. I was able to choose. You can choose your own samples. First sample, it is from Milk Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Sheer Blush and Lip Tint. Lip and Cheek, the stick that does both sheer blush and lip tint. So this it looks like this. It's a really nice rosy neutral shade, and for sure I will use it on both my lips and cheeks. If you blend it out, it gives you a nice blushy effect. So I'm looking forward to try it. It's small, so it's good for travel. I never tried anything from Milk Cosmetics, so I'm happy that I've got my first product from them. And the last sample that I've chose, it is the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic Plus Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Overnight Serum. So this is like this, and you do get here 2 mils, and on Milk Cheek and Lip Tint you get 3 grams, and it is in shade Work. So on this cream, Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic and Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Overnight Serum, you do get 2 mils. Massage into clean, dry skin in PM. Use sunscreen during the day. Great. Those are all the products that I recently bought on Cult Beauty, and this I didn't bought from Cult Beauty, but it's also from UK, so I want to show you one of the recent products that I bought, and I also have a review. It is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit 4 palette. The reason that I'm showing you this palette, it is that now Cult Beauty is also stocking it, so I have a dedicated review of this palette. Just go and check it out. I will link it here or in the description box. But yeah, you do get 6 of their famous powders, the ambient lighting powders, ambient lighting bronzer, blush and strobe powder. Really amazing product, so get your hands on it while you still can. I hope you enjoyed my haul, and if you did so, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my social media. And other than that, I hope you will have an amazing day, and I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Stay tuned, bye bye!